What's up, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the news that's making waves across the tech universe. First up, we're diving deep into the groundbreaking $5 billion investment from Nvidia into Intel. This isn't just a handshake. It's a full-blown strategic partnership aimed at jointly developing the next generation of custom data center and PC chips. Intel is set to build x86 CPUs with integrated Nvidia RTX GPU chiplets, a move that could reshape the competitive landscape. And the good news keeps rolling for Intel. Their stock isn't just moving, it's surging. This incredible momentum is fueled by not only the massive Nvidia investment, but also the successful sale of their Altera stake. We're talking about a significant transformation for Intel Corporation, with implications for their operating expenses and overall market strategy. This is a story of strategic moves and technological fusion. This partnership between Nvidia and Intel is more than just a collaboration. It's a fusion of world-class platforms. Jensen Huang himself stated this historic collaboration tightly couples Nvidia's AI and accelerated computing stack with Intel's CPUs. Lip-Bu Tan, Intel's CEO, echoed this sentiment, highlighting how Intel's manufacturing capabilities will complement Nvidia's leadership. We'll break down what this means for the future of computing and how it positions them against rivals like AMD. Finally, we'll explore the immediate impact on Intel's stock, which has seen a dramatic surge, making it one of the best trading days in decades. We'll cover the analyst reactions and what this means for investors. You don't want to miss this deep dive into the biggest tech news of the week. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on so you don't miss a single update. Intel's stock skyrockets amidst Nvidia partnership and strategic sale. Intel Corporation is experiencing a seismic shift, with its stock price surging following a monumental $5 billion investment from Nvidia and the successful sale of its Altera stake. This dual development signals a significant transformation for the chip giant, impacting everything from its product roadmap to its financial outlook. The core of this transformation lies in a strategic collaboration with Nvidia. Under this agreement, Intel will not only build Nvidia custom x86 CPUs for data centers, integrating Nvidia's AI and accelerated computing technologies with Intel's CPU capabilities via NVLink, but will also develop x86 system-on-chips for personal computing that incorporate Nvidia RTX GPU chiplets. Jensen Huang, Nvidia's founder and CEO, described it as a fusion of two world-class platforms, while Intel CEO Lip-Bu Tan emphasized the synergy between Intel's manufacturing prowess and Nvidia's AI leadership. This partnership aims to enhance competition against rivals like AMD and potentially redefine the architecture of future PCs and data centers. Simultaneously, Intel has bolstered its financial position and strategic focus by selling a majority stake in Altera to Silver Lake for approximately $3.3 billion. This move immediately improved cash flow and led to a reduction in Intel's 2025 operating expense forecast by $200 million. These financial maneuvers, coupled with positive early reviews of Intel's new Core Ultra 3205 processor, are painting a picture of a company executing a turnaround strategy. Analysts are closely watching Intel's progress. UBS analyst Timothy Arcuri noted Intel's potential to secure Nvidia as a foundry customer, alongside existing deals with Microsoft and Amazon for its 18A node technology. While Intel holds a consensus hold rating from analysts, the recent developments have injected significant optimism, with the stock showing substantial gains year-to-date. This is just the beginning of the Intel story. Stay tuned as we unpack the intricate details of this Nvidia collaboration. Next up, we're diving into the specifics of Nvidia's massive investment and what it means for their own product strategies. Nvidia's $5 billion lifeline, a deep dive into the Intel partnership. Nvidia is making a bold move, injecting $5 billion into Intel common stock in a strategic partnership designed to co-develop a new era of custom data center and PC chips. This investment isn't just financial. It's a technological alliance that will see Intel build x86 system-on-chips integrating Nvidia's RTX GPU chiplets, a significant step that could enhance competition against rivals like AMD. The collaboration leverages Nvidia's cutting-edge AI and accelerated computing technologies alongside Intel's established CPU architecture and manufacturing capabilities. The joint development will focus on creating next-generation data center products utilizing Nvidia hardware and PC chips that tightly integrate Intel CPUs with Nvidia GPUs. This synergy, facilitated by Nvidia's NVLink system, aims to create powerful, unified platforms for both high-performance computing and personal devices. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang highlighted the fusion of their respective strengths, envisioning a joint expansion of ecosystems to lay the foundation for the future of computing. This substantial investment follows recent financial injections into Intel from the U.S. government and SoftBank, underscoring a concerted effort to support Intel's turnaround strategy amidst market share challenges and operational restructuring. Intel's stock saw a significant jump following the announcement, reflecting investor confidence in the partnership's potential. The implications of this deal are far-reaching. It strengthens Intel's position in the competitive chip market, particularly against AMD's growing influence. For Nvidia, it represents a strategic deepening of its relationship with a key player in the semiconductor industry, potentially opening new avenues for their GPU technology integration beyond their traditional markets. But what does this monumental deal mean for the day-to-day tech user and the future of your devices? We're about to find out, and then we'll explore another major shakeup in the chip world. Intel stock explodes 30% as Nvidia confirms $5 billion investment. Intel Corporation's stock experienced a dramatic surge, jumping over 30% in pre-market trading following the official announcement of a $5 billion investment from semiconductor rival Nvidia. This significant financial backing is part of a broader agreement to co-develop chips for both the data center and personal computing markets. The investment, priced at $23.28 per share, marks a strategic pivot for Intel. Nvidia will leverage Intel's manufacturing capabilities and x86 architecture for its data center products, while Intel will integrate Nvidia's graphics technology into its own offerings. This collaboration is seen as a crucial step for Intel to regain market share and enhance its technological standing, especially against competitors like AMD. Jensen Huang, CEO of Nvidia, emphasized the creation of a fusion of two world-class platforms, aiming to expand ecosystems and pioneer the next era of computing. This development comes at a critical time for Intel, which has been navigating market share losses and high operational costs. The Nvidia investment adds to recent financial support from the U.S. government and SoftBank, indicating a collective effort to bolster Intel's turnaround strategy. The sale of assets and strategic partnerships are key components of this revitalization plan, aiming to improve financial health and drive innovation. Market reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, with Intel shares reflecting a strong surge in investor confidence. Analysts are closely monitoring the long-term implications of this partnership, particularly concerning the synergy between Nvidia's AI prowess and Intel's foundational computing platforms. The success of this collaboration could redefine competitive dynamics within the semiconductor industry. The market is buzzing about this Intel-Nvidia alliance, but what's next on the horizon? Prepare for another massive tech story that's sending shockwaves through the industry. Intel soars 32% as Nvidia pours $5 billion into co-development deal. In a move sending shockwaves through the tech industry, Intel's stock price surged an astonishing 32% following the news that Nvidia will invest $5 billion into the chipmaker. This landmark deal isn't just about financial backing. It signifies a deep collaboration to jointly develop cutting-edge data center and PC chips, positioning Intel for a significant comeback. The $5 billion investment, made at $23.28 per share, is a critical component of Intel's turnaround strategy. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang hailed the partnership as a historic collaboration that fuses Nvidia's AI and accelerated computing stack with Intel's CPUs and the vast x86 ecosystem. Under the agreement, Intel will build custom x86 CPUs for Nvidia's AI infrastructure platforms and develop x86 system-on-chips for PCs that integrate Nvidia's RTX graphics processing units. This joint effort aims to create powerful, integrated solutions that can better compete in the evolving tech landscape. This significant investment from Nvidia follows recent backing from the U.S. government, which took a substantial stake in Intel, and a $2 billion investment from SoftBank. These combined efforts underscore a broader initiative to support American high-tech manufacturing and revitalize Intel's position in the global semiconductor market. The White House has lauded the partnership as a major milestone for American high-tech manufacturing. The market's response has been electric, with Intel shares experiencing one of their best trading days in decades. While analysts like Chris Casso of Wolfe Research are evaluating the true depth of this collaboration, the immediate impact is a significant boost in confidence and valuation for Intel. The potential for Nvidia to manufacture at Intel's fabs remains a key question, but the immediate focus is on the co-developed products that could redefine performance and integration in future computing. This Intel-Nvidia saga is far from over, but for now, that's the biggest news we've got. Stick around for a lightning-fast recap of all the top stories. And that's a wrap on today's action-packed Qualcomm Pulse. We saw Intel's stock surge thanks to a massive $5 billion Nvidia investment and a strategic Altera sale, igniting a major transformation for the chipmaker. Nvidia is injecting $5 billion into Intel, forging a powerful partnership to co-develop next-gen PC and data center chips. Intel's stock then exploded over 30% as Nvidia confirmed its $5 billion investment, signaling a new era of collaboration. Finally, Intel soared an incredible 32% with Nvidia's $5 billion commitment to co-develop crucial data center and PC chips. Don't miss out on any of the future tech breakthroughs. Hit that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for more exclusive insights, ring the notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social media channels. We'll see you in the next one.